Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with a frustrating error while using Vite and Tailwind CSS? You're seeing loading PostCSS plugin failed, cannot find module tailwinds? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through fixing this common issue. This video will show you exactly what's going wrong and how to get your project back on track quickly. Let's get started. The most common cause of this error is a missing or incorrectly installed Tailwind CSS package. First, let's verify that Tailwind CSS is indeed installed in your project. Open your project's terminal. Run the command npm install devDependencies autoprefixer. This command installs Tailwind CSS, PostCSS, and autoprefixer as development dependencies. These are crucial for Tailwind CSS to function correctly with Vite. Ensure that the installation process completes without errors. If you're using Yarn, you can use yarn add devDependencies autoprefixer instead. After the installation, take a look at your package.json file. Check if Tailwind CSS, PostCSS, and autoprefixer are listed under devDependencies. If they are not, it signifies that the installation process did not finish correctly. Repeat the installation again. Next, let's configure PostCSS. Vite relies on PostCSS to process Tailwind CSS. Create a postx.config.js file in the root of your project if it doesn't already exist. Inside this file, add the following code: module.exports equals plugins, tailwinds, autoprefixer. This configuration tells PostCSS to use Tailwind CSS and autoprefixer plugins. A misconfigured or missing postx.config.js is another common reason for this error. Now, configure your tailwind.config.js file. If you don't have this file, generate one by running npx tailwind init p. The p flag also creates the postx.config.js file for you if it's missing. Double-check the contents of the tailwind.config.js file. Ensure that it correctly configures your theme and content paths. For example, content.src/index.html.//.js/tsx, comma. This line specifies which files Tailwind CSS should scan for classes. Incorrect content paths can lead to styles not being applied and sometimes, this error. Clear your Vite cache. Sometimes, Vite caches outdated configurations, which can cause problems even after fixing the configurations. Stop the Vite development server. Then, delete the node_module/.vite directory. After deleting the directory, run npm install or yarn install to reinstall the dependencies. Finally, restart the Vite development server using npm run dev or yarn dev. This will force Vite to rebuild the cache with the latest configurations. Remember to check your import statements. Make sure you are correctly importing the Tailwind CSS directives in your CSS file, usually src/index.css or src/app.css. The correct import statements are at Tailwind base, at Tailwind components, at Tailwind utilities. Make sure that these directives are placed correctly in your CSS file. These directives inject Tailwind's base styles, component styles, and utility classes into your CSS. Alright. We've covered the most common solutions for the loading PostCSS plugin failed, cannot find module tailwinds error in Vite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Consider supporting the channel through comments or by sharing this video with other developers who might be facing this issue. Your support helps me create more content like this.